Hi, in this video we'll see how to create a camcorder using any CAM.io and ESP32-CAM. You can just Google any CAM.io and go to the download section and go for downloading it. I have already a version of it, so I'm not going to download it. So there are multiple plans there. I use a free plan. And just after installing, you go to your start menu and type any CAM.io. It opens up, and then you see a sections to add camera. If you are connected to the network, you will find the IP of the camera automatically. That's the great thing. You have to just untick the camera requires authentication because we don't have username and password, and click on connect. Straight away you can see the camera coming from the IP stream. On the right bottom you have few sections to view recordings and start recording. I'll just try to start record. You can do capture also. If you just click on record, I'm just recording for a few seconds. Let me just go to open recordings, and you can just see the recorded file in a MP4 format. That's great. Apart from this, we also have a calendar in the AnyCam.io portion. If I go back to the AnyCam.io, there I can see view recordings. So in that I can find the zoom of particular video portion also, which is a great tool. And with time stamping I can see what is happening. If you just play the button, so it plays the video whatever is recorded, and you can just pause it. It's a very good, wonderful tool. You can stream ESP32-CAM using this. Hope this helps. Thank you.